In this video, I'm going to show you one of the indicator that is based on the auto trend lines, and there is no need to find the direction of the trend with the help of this indicator. This indicator is super accurate, and if you are going to use it in a way like I will explain in this video, then no one can stop you from making the profits into the forex crypto stocks market. Okay, so before I jump into the video, so guys, if you're willing to join the best broker that I personally use from 2015, I have provided the broker link in the description of this video below. If you want that your investment should be safe and you want to get the benefit of fast deposit and the withdrawals, then you need to join this broker, and my recommendation is go for the standard account size. This is the standard account type, and I love this type of account because it has the lowest spreads into the market, and this is one of the reputed brokers. Nothing scam about it. Okay, so as you can see about this indicator, we are able to see that we have the trend line here and we have so many reversal signals here, and in this video I will explain you how you can attach these both indicators to get the maximum from the market, and you are going to love with this trading setup. So before we start again, and I would like to say that those subscribers who are willing to book the lifetime version of my private indicator, you can check the indicator from my previous videos, and it is not available on Tradingview. You can get the lifetime access by contacting on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, so I'm going to delete these indicators and going to the indicator section again. So please pay attention here, because your little mistake will not be you will not be able to find the indicator. You need to write robo trading. Okay, you need to write robo trading without any space. If you will give space, then the indicator will not come. Okay, when you will write robo trading, then you need to give one space, and then you need to write auto. Okay, so robo trading without space, then you will give the space, and then you will write auto, then this will come robo trading auto triangle by robo trading. So if I click this indicator, now you can see the trend lines are automatically on my screen, and these are 100% automatic, right? Okay, so let's analyze a few pairs so that we can see that how soon they are coming. You can see that was the lower trend line, the price moved up. Okay, so we have the lower trend line, price moved up. Let's go to Euro pairs. It must be lower in that case as well, so it's loading. Okay, look at this. This is the critical point. Okay, so we have the trend line already here. Okay, so it means that you can trade the recent price movements. You can see another trend line. Okay, so let's go ahead. You can see almost hitting the trend line, another one. Okay, now the point is that how we will be sure that our entries are good to go. So that is why we are going to add one of the reversal indicator that will help us to identify the good trades from the market. So here I'm going to write reversal signals on Tradingview. So when you will write reversal signals on Tradingview, then I would like you to go with the reversal signals by the Lux algo, and it has 5,342 likes at the moment. So when we attach this indicator on our screen, now you can see the reversal signals are attached on our part. Okay, so first of all, going to the indicator setting, because as you can see we have some labels here. So going to the Lux algo style section of the indicator and just going to uncheck the labels, and then I will press OK. Okay guys, now you will realize that one thing, that we have a sell signal here, and now you can see the trend line was here and the price is almost going to hit the trend line. So we are most interested in getting the sell signal, reversal signal right from the area of the trend line, not below that. Okay, so this is quite important for us to take the right decisions. Okay, so for example, I go to the gold. Okay, so let's have a look on gold. So already we have the reversal signal, but the market also almost hit the trend line. So this was the good signal, and you can see price is down. Okay, overall I will recommend you to use this indicator with proper care and by the trend following method. You can see on Matic 5 minute we have the sell signal, it's down, and now we have the buy signal, the pullback into the green color from the indicator, and you can see price is reversing into the upward direction. Let's analyze more about this indicator. So if we go here already the price has pumped up, so we cannot do anything. Okay, so on this as well you can see the lower. So overall this indicator is doing a great job. Let me take you towards the 1 minute time frame, and let's go with USD CAD at the moment. Okay, so guys, now the main question arises. We have two options here. Okay, if the price will continue to go up from here, then it's a bullish signal. If the price does not go, if the price breaks below, then it's a sell signal for us. But overall you need to see that on which side the market makes its pattern, so the trend line will be adjusted according to it. Okay, so moreover guys, this is a good setup. If you are going to use it with the proper care, this is definitely a good setup. You need to be very careful with this type of setup. So I will again say you that trade anything with the trends, follow the trends and use the trend lines, so your the manual working of the trend lines will be over by the help of this indicator, right? So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.